Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can text people or send message on TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Before getting started, make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. And to text people or send message on TikTok, all you need to do is log into your TikTok account. And once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. And right at the bottom, you can see there are multiple tools. From here, you need to click on the icon or the tool that says inbox. And as you tap on inbox, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. In order to text or send message to someone, first thing you need to do is click on the paperboard icon located right on top. As you click on the icon, you'll redirect to new chat. And right on this page, you need to select the person or the contact list that you want to send message or that you want to text. You'll have a list of options. And if you're unable to find the contact information, then right on top, you can also see there is a search bar and you can type in the username and you'll be able to find it. Once you found the contact list, all you need to do is just tap on it or just select it. If you're sending message for the first time, then you'll be able to see their profile page. Since I've already sent a message to this person, this kind of interface won't appear on your device. Right at the bottom, you'll have the message bar. So all you need to do is type in the message just like how you do it on other social media platform. And all you need to do is just tap on the arrow icon located right in the corner once you're done typing in your message. And that is how simple to text people or send message on TikTok. And other thing, if you want to send TikTok videos or if you want to share some content with the person on your chat page, then what you need to do is first thing log into your account. After that, you need to find the content that you want to send it to this certain person. You need to click on the share button, which will be located in the right hand side corner right at the bottom. As you click on the share button, a drop down menu appears, and right on top you'll be able to see a contact list that you are frequently texting or that you're frequently sending messages. If the contact list does not appear on this particular interface, then what you need to do is you'll have this DM icon located right in between, right over here, and after that you need to click on it. So once again, you'll be directed to this interface, and then from here you need to select the contact that you want to send it. If you're unable to find the contact list, just type in the username and then you'll be able to do it. All you need to do is just select the contact, and after that you'll have an option as send, and if you're sure about it, tap on send, and then you've sent TikTok videos. That is how you can text people or send message on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.